Dogecoin has recently been widely discussed as many people are familiar with crypto. Cryptocurrencies are indeed popular in the community. It's no wonder that cryptocurrencies have finally emerged. According to Statista data, in 2013 there were 66 cryptocurrencies and increasing over time. Even in February 2021, there have been 4,501 types of cryptocurrencies in circulation. A very drastic increase. Although the number and variety are very large. The Commodity Futures Trading Regulatory Agency or COFTRA has only licensed 229 types of cryptocurrencies in Indonesia. Several types of cryptocurrencies that are popular in Indonesia include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Polkadot, Litercoin, and Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a digital currency or cryptocurrency. This digital currency was originally just a joke. Written by Forbet, this Dogecoin was created by software engineers named Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer in late 2013. Palmer stated that at first he deliberately used the wrong spelling and used an image of a dog of the Japanese Shiba Inu breed. Pat White, CEO of Bitwave, stated that the digital currency Dogecoin was originally only created to really make fun of other digital currencies, namely Bitcoin. This digital currency community and enthusiasts are increasing the prestige of the Dogecoin currency by means of charity. Many of them raise funds from this cryptocurrency for the benefit of many people. For example, cryptocurrency was used to finance the Jamaican bobsleigh team to the 2014 Olympics and sponsor NASCAR drivers. Early 2021, Dogecoin gained cult status because in a Wall Street Bets chat on Reddit, fans of the digital currency pledged to push the cryptocurrency's price up further. At the beginning of this year the figure even reached more than 5,000%. Elon Musk is one of the famous figures who became the main reinforcer. The Tesla Auto Company boss mentioned Dogecoin as his favorite